Hi, good evening everyone. Once again, I'm Reggie Utan from Carmona, Cavite, Philippines, a proud member of MMM Global Community. And last July 11, 2015, I provided help amounting to 5,000 pesos to Nicolovi, Yaki, and Bogsit. And last July 13, 2015, I requested to get help amounting to 5,500 pesos. And today, I received the whole amount from Royka Raul. To this person, thank you so much for providing this amount. And to the founder of this very nice global community, Mr. Sergio Brody, thank you. And thank you, MM, and long live MMM.